Unlocking the mystery, the charm of secret family recipes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delightful topic that combines language, culture, and culinary arts. The meaning and significance of secret family recipes. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery and warmth behind these cherished recipes. Secret family recipe refers to a recipe that has been passed down within a family through generations, often not written down or shared outside the family circle. The secret part highlights its exclusivity and sentimental value, implying that the recipe is special and preserved with great care. These recipes are more than just instructions for preparing a dish. They are a legacy, embodying family traditions, history, and love. Secret family recipes are treasured for several reasons. Cultural significance. They often represent a family's cultural heritage and identity. Emotional connection. Preparing and sharing these meals can evoke nostalgia and strengthen family bonds. Uniqueness. The uniqueness of these recipes adds to the allure, as they offer a taste that can't be found in restaurants or cookbooks. The phrase, secret family recipe, is a wonderful example of how language encapsulates cultural practices and values. It reflects the importance of family, heritage, and tradition in many societies. Discussing these recipes in English learning contexts can provide insight into the nuances of language and the way it can convey deep emotional and cultural layers. We hope this exploration of secret family recipes has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a taste of the rich flavors of culture and tradition that language can convey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories, histories, and emotions they carry. Thank you for joining us, and may you find joy in uncovering the stories behind the words you learn.